71 blower on it, Hillborn supercharged injection, and they're going to fire this up. It looks wild and crazy, which it is. You're talking about 600-700 horsepower right here, and it is wild. This car is old. There's all kind of parts put together to get this thing to work.
I hear them grandpa grunts coming out of there.
Yeah. Hey, young guy, drove it for me.
He's behind the wheel in case the car takes off. It's going to land right on top of that Torino and try and go over it. If he fires it up, and he can, if the brakes give away, that's the way he's going to go. These are like one-of-a-kind heads to fit a Chevy motor. They're special. From Billet, Arias Heads in California built this heads. They found them, put the whole thing together. The whole thing is crazy, and you can see it, but it's wild. Oh, yeah, Matt.
You want to stand back.